It's folks that ask the question like why are we recognizing Black history when we have American history? And I typically say, particularly post George Floyd, 9 minutes, 29 seconds, murdered by a Minneapolis police officer, I always say it that way, that before George Floyd, folks weren't looking at Black history as American history. But for whatever the reason, I started hearing people, they say, well, Black history is American history. And I don't have a problem with that. But if we're going to talk American history, then we got to talk the fullness of American history.
One determinant of the success or failure of my students.
Leaving your home without a sense of purpose is like going to the airport without your ID. There will be no flying that day.